The story of Hamza, a self-improvement YouTuber who unfortunately ended up in a not-so-good place. We're going to take a closer look at his story and discuss some of the lessons we can learn from it. So, grab a glass of water, sit back, and let's get started. Hamza was a popular self-improvement YouTuber who had a massive following. He was known for his inspiring videos where he talked about his own struggles and shared tips and techniques to help others improve their lives. Hamza had a natural talent for connecting with his audience, and his subscribers loved him for his authenticity and honesty. The beginning. Hamza's journey began when he was a young man struggling to find his purpose in life. He started making videos as a way to document his own journey of self-improvement and to help others who were going through similar struggles. His first videos were raw and unpolished, but they struck a chord with viewers, and his channel grew quickly. The rise. As Hamza's channel grew, he began to focus more on creating content that would appeal to a wider audience. He invested in better equipment, improved his editing skills, and started collaborating with other YouTubers to reach new viewers. He also began to monetize his channel, earning a substantial income from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. The fall. However, as Hamza's channel grew, so did the pressure to keep up with his success. He started to feel overwhelmed and burnt out, and began to rely on drugs and alcohol to cope with the stress. His videos became less frequent and less polished, and his audience began to notice the change. Eventually, Hamza's channel started to lose subscribers, and his income began to dry up. The lessons. So, what can we learn from Hamza's story? First of all, it's important to remember that success on social media can come with a heavy price tag. The pressure to constantly create content and maintain a following can be overwhelming, and it's essential to take breaks and prioritize self-care. Additionally, relying on drugs and alcohol to cope with stress is a dangerous trap that can quickly spiral out of control. In conclusion, Hamza's story is a cautionary tale about the dangers of success on social media. While it's great to pursue your passions and share your journey with others, it's essential to take care of yourself and avoid the traps that can come with fame and fortune. So, let's all learn from Hamza's mistakes and make sure we don't end up like him. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I think we've been quite successful at what our purpose and mission was here. For so long, I spent every single day thinking about how to grow the channel, the movement, how to get more subscribers. I don't care. All I care about now is actually helping you, the current man, more. And I think to do that, I need to go out there into the real world and experience some true hardship, competition, martial arts. That's what I'm throwing myself into fully.
Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Mwah.